Kanang imong pangipre. Good morning. Hi guys. Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Cebu City. Mamaya guys, may Kelec Track Day tayo sa Car Cebu. Kahapon nag-training tayo sa isang Team Green natin nakasama si Renren Soler.
When yung racing?
Yung racing is on Sunday na, October 22. So thank you Kawasaki Philippines. Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Car Cebu. Kelec Track Day ngayon guys. So pagmasdan nyo yung vlog para malaman nyo kung anong kaganapan dito guys. Kanang imong pangipre.
Lisod kay ni kuanon nakamitan ako ni Davao ko ni pila pa kilometro gay. Wa?
Jumping kayo sa YC?
Si YC.
Yang ihatag sa imuha. So, mo na ang teaching sa tuwa. Okay? Riders? Okay, I'll give you 5 laps. Okay. Teres will give you 5 laps. Run.
Terence Napat here and it was a wrap, baby. Sobrang saya ng Kelec Track Day ngayon. And ayun, sobrang enjoy yung experience dito sa Cebu, sa Car. Nakalaban ko kanina, sobrang galing. And then, sana abangan nyo yung mga event ng Kawasaki tulad nitong Kelec Track Day. Tomorrow, laro tayo sa Motor Ace Championship game. And sana subaybayan nyo yung vlog. Hi guys, good morning. And nandito na kami ngayon sa Medellin, Cebu. Round 5 na Motor Ace Championship. Dahil galing tayo sa injury, pero kaya natin to guys. Believe lang sa sarili. Ganda yung motor natin, brand new. Thank you kay Kuya Glenn Lozada sa pag-sport. And sa Kawasaki Motor Philippines, Alpine Star, TYT, and Motul. And also Mission Foods. Abangan nyo yung race mamaya guys and continue to watch my vlog.
Here's our Kawasaki official rider, Terence Dapat. Daghang kayo salamat sa pag-ari sa Cebu. Bisag layo ayo. Let the good times roll.
No.
Anong masasabi mo kanina, sir?
Terence, thank you for this.
Anong masasabi mo sa second round kanina?
Masasabi ko sa second round, nauna si Terence pero yung first jump is sumubra siya. Hindi niya na-control yung yung momentum. Kaya sumimplang siya. Pero kahit sumimplang siya, bumangon naman agad. Pero hindi na nakano.
So goods lang, okay lang yun.
Goods lang
At
yun,
least
basta-
lumaban.
Oo, basta safe si Terence, okay lang.
Di
So
ba?
next round, sure.
Ah!
Lalo na.
So hi guys, it's not rap.
Not a rap.
It's not a rap today.
Ibang rap nang nangyari.
Yes. Sobrang daming pagsubok this year. That's life. And it's about not giving up and keep your heads up and keep training. I am gonna bounce back these 2 months before this. I'm gonna end this year strong. Next year there's a lot of motocross series and teams. I'm looking forward for that. And hopefully no crash. And yes, I would like to thank all my sponsors, especially Kawasaki Motors Philippines, for taking care of me, all my needs, and yes, motivating me for every race. And also KYT, Helmets, Alpine Star, Mutul for my oils, and Mission Foods. Especially to Kuya Glenn Lozada sa Lozada Group of Companies and ACGR for your full support, Kuya. Thank you. See you on my next vlog.